Hey, welcome back to Aroma Talks, and today I'm back again. I'm gonna be showing you how you can make your very own natural lip balm at home. It's very simple to make, and you can use the stuffs that you already have in your kitchen. The color is so beautiful and the smell is really amazing. So let's get started. Here are some of the things that you're gonna need. Beeswax, coconut oil, Vaseline gel, and some food coloring. You want to make sure you have your mixing bowl or a mixing jar. Go ahead, add in your 2 tablespoons of beeswax. One tablespoon of coconut oil. One teaspoon of Vaseline gel. Now the next step is to melt this, and today I'm going to be using a double boiler method. You can use your oven or microwave, that's also okay. So now after some time, this is how it looks like. Go ahead, add in your some food coloring. And then mix it very well. Continue mixing it and let it cool for some time. Now it's ready. I have my small containers right here. I'm gonna go ahead and pour my mixture into my containers. So now let it sit for some time for it to get solid. Now we are back, it's ready. It's so hard and looks so beautiful and smells really good. Look at this, guys. I love this. So go ahead, cover your containers, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this DIY. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.